To block the annoying ads on your iPhone, you need to follow the steps. Step 1, go to the Ad DNS setup website. Here is the address, adguard.com. Once you reach there, you need to look for this public ad guard profile. Tap on that. On the next page, you need to select the method 2 and select iOS. It will ask your permission to download the configuration profile. Do that by clicking the allow button. So once the profile is downloaded, you will get the confirmation message. Just close it. Next, you need to go to the iPhone settings. Open that and look for the journal tab. Click on that. Here you need to tap on VPN and device management. Under the VPN device management, you will see the downloaded profile of AdGuard DNS. Tap on that and click on install. So once the installation is complete and profile is active, you will get this message. Now you need to close all the apps within which you generally see the ads to refresh the connection. The next time once you will open these apps, you won't see the ads. Just like you can see here that I have opened up a browser and previously there was an ad here and now it is not. Don't forget to like.